Day 1. Day 2. The Day 3.
Progress is seen only when a teacher inculcates the new teaching methods to reach the child in an effective manner.
And the Day 4. Day 5.
Really have done your best, and let's clap to the crowd. I appreciate each and every teacher, each and one teacher, along with every one of the R&D or Monty or whatever it might be. Really, I appreciate each and every individual work. This individual work should be appreciated along with your teamwork. I could see the pain and gain of that. I thank all the staff and the fellow teachers of the Naagarjuna for assembling over here and for your patience that has been conducted for the academic year 2024-25. I hope this was a great time in understanding and knowing each other together during the session which has been conducted during the orientation.
Subscribe now Naagarjuna Group of Schools.